Today, I'll show you how to create a realistic binoculars effect in just a few steps using the telescope zoom effect. Let's dive in. First, import your video into the timeline and head over to the effects panel. In the search bar, type telescope zoom. This is the effect that gives your video that binoculars or spyglass look. Now, drag and drop the effect onto your video clip. Instantly, you'll see that circular frame appear, simulating a binoculars view. But let's make it even better by tweaking some settings. Select the effect in the timeline and open the right side editing panel. Here, you'll find a few key sliders. Shake. This adds a subtle or intense camera shake to make the binoculars effect feel more realistic, as if someone is actually holding them. Speed. Adjust this to control how fast the shake effect moves. Higher values make it more dramatic. Opacity. If you want a softer or more transparent binocular overlay, tweak this slider to blend it with your video. Filter. This option lets you add different tints or overlays to enhance the look. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, preview your video to see how the effect looks in motion. And that's it. You now have a cool binoculars effect in Filmora, perfect for adventure, spy, or wildlife themed videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.